Add a contemporary take to your classic silhouette with these sandals by Birkenstock. They feature a velvet upper with an open-toe silhouette and two straps that go over the vamp with adjustable buckle closures to give you a secure and custom fit. The velvety texture adds a luxurious look to your outfit with silver-toned buckles that add contrast and give you a fashionable look. Inside, there is a leather lining with a lightly cushioned cork footbed that is anatomically contoured to give you all-day support and comfort. They're very lightweight with a sturdy and durable build that's made to last, and it's all on top of a durable EVA outsole that is textured to give you the best grip. Wear these with a cute pair of skinny jeans.